Add whipped cream in beating bowl and whip for 5 minutes. Add condensed milk and whip for more 5 minutes. You will notice that your cream has a foamy texture after beating them for 5 minutes. Add food color and whip. Cream is ready. Keep it aside. Cut the cake into 2 layers. Place the first cake layer on your cake base or turntable. Pour ready milk on this layer. Don't overdrench the sponge. Then spread frosting. Repeat this process for another layer. You can finish off the cake by frosting on the top. Hold the pipe in one hand at the top of the bag. Use the other hand to guide the tip as needed. Using the star nozzle, we will make borders at down first. Then make straight lines from down to up, then small lines from right to left. Hold the bag at a 45-degree angle. Squeeze the bag to form a bulb and release the pressure as you move the nozzle away. Repeat this process all the way along the edge of the cake. Place half moon shaped pineapple pieces around them at the top of the cake. Place one whole ring of pineapple in the middle. Put sprinkles in the whole of middle pineapple ring. You can use glazed cherry instead of sprinkles. Beautiful yummy cake is ready.